What?
Coffee.
Hot chocolate? Oh, say hi to my vlog.
Hi. Hi. Welcome to TikTok. No. No. No.
Why?
No. I will throw. You don't hit.
That's unicorn. Unicorn? Arte-arte mo, girl.
Unicorn. Papantayin ko yung market na po.
Daming people. Okay. Morning, babe.
All departing passengers on AirAsia Flight Z2884 bound for Incheon. After completing all your comfort check-in requirements, please proceed to gate 114 to await your flight boardings.
Kaya masarap kumain here. I'm so sleepy. Kaya tayo, let's eat. Parang gusto kong dumaan muna dun sa Bath and Body Works. Ito na lang, mismo. Hotdog. Dun pa. According to them, delayed yung flight namin. So, ang gagawin lang namin dito is tumambay and kumain, syempre. Kami sa kalimutan ko yung name, pero naantay na namin yung service namin palabas. So, parang umuulan pa yan. Hindi ko magamit yung shades ko. It's raining nga. We're gonna wait for our service. See ya. Sasakay na kami ng boat. Nandito kami ngayon sa hindi ko alam kung nasa na kami. Naantay ko lang si Babe bumili ng gamot dahil sinikmura siya. Kung kalam nasa labas, lagi namang may ganon. Charot. Excited na ako makita ang ate ko and ang mga pamangkin ko. Nauna kasi sila sa amin. Kami sumunod lang kami dahil may mga errands pa kami inayos bago kami pupunta dito. So I'm so excited! Maraming tao, oh my gosh! it.
Ano pa?
Okay po, thank you. Ayaw pala yung title. What? Waiting for boarding na lang kami sa boat. Ang binayaran lang namin dito is 300 pesos each. So, sana hindi ako malula. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Charot. Tagal, gugutom natin.
A few moments later.
Sarap, nagugutom na ako, sobrang pagod.
Balik ulit. Maya!
Ito kasambal na to, dapat sinamahan din ako. Dahan-dahan mo ako higain ha.
Straight mo lang yung tuhod mo, ma'am.
Gago talaga, parang susubsub pa rin ako eh.
Yan na. Ma'am, bitaw ko sa dito mo. Yan.
Ayan, okay na? Wait lang, wait.
140. Let's go. Yeah, ready na?
Mababa na eh.
Kaya na sumusuko na eh.
Ayaw na nga eh.
Ano sa mga siya para di mataas?
Amaya is not more scared than you. Amaya is more scared than you. Amaya, you're more scared than you.
Just kaya kinalala niyo din. Hi guys, nandito kami sa ATV. We're waiting for the motor.
Finally, you're talking.
We're waiting for the motor to arrive.
Finally, you're talking. Hindi, dapat sabihin mo, we're here at Boracay. Boracay.
Boracay daw.
No, Philippines.
Wow, that's
Boracay,
good.
Philippines.
What's this Wednesday?
Like, you have...
You?
Sayaw ka.
Please. I want to see. Go.
I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands above my head. Like Jesus said, I'm good.
Nice! Love it!
Sabi nung Amerikano, sagot Amerikano, sorry 2. Ba, sabi, isip nung ni Juan, laluan pa ako nito ah. Sorry 3. Sabi nung kano, what you're sorry for? Sorry 5, you're sick, 7.
Wala na katapusan.
Ram, go. Ram, go. Go, 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 yan, yan.
natin, naantay na lang. Pero sabi nila, wala, sabi ng mga kasama namin, wala na kaming tour for today again kasi hindi maganda yung weather. Or yung dahil sa hangin ba, hindi kami pinayagan. So, kakain muna kami and then maghahanap kami ng pwedeng gawin here. See you later para may energy ako. Kailangan ko na kumain. Bye! Una kami dito sa mga talang mommy. Good morning!
Good morning!
Kulit kami nagising. Where's my spot? Diyos ko, ito namang sibol nilagay. Iniwan pa yung susi sa door. Ano? Pero ako nagsara talaga. Sa kasalanan ko? Oh my God! Wow! Nakita ko na! Sa may cortina. I'm so proud of myself.
Akala namin yung malakad kayo kanali. Sige po. Mahirap hanapin.
Kakain mo na ako.
Mga bata, yun o.
Maghanap tayo na nagbe-braid. Come on, samahan niyo ako.
Hi, ate.
Ay, braid ako. Dala pa sila, ma? Ay, akin na itong plastic mo, baby.
Well, good morning!
What na?
Thank you po. Okay, salamat po. 450, no? Thank you.
Vlogger?
Yes. Welcome to my vlog. Saan kayo pupunta? Kakain na naman kayo doon?
Nakami sa lumong.
Sama niyo si Bag. Thank you.
15. Pinakamababa.
Hoy, iwan niyo ako. Balikan niyo ako dito. Ba siya yung nag-video? Ano ba?
Yes, ma'am, her braid.
Hi, guys. Hi. Where's Mami Lola? Yes, of course.
Disney. Where's mom?
They're buying something outside.
Yeah, hot chocolate. Yeah. No, dark
Oh
chocolate.
my God.
Dark chocolate.
Are you enjoying, guys? Eto. Mother, here's your medicine.
Ano, nakabili ba kayo?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Trim there.
Yes, you'll go with Ate Yanya. Welcome to our crib! Come on. Room tour, guys.
This is the kitchen.
Okay, show them.
This is the kitchen with a fridge, a sink, and cabinets. With the fridge.
Okay, what's next?
Then there's a closet.
Ano ito? There's a basura.
Now this is like a bed and a table. This is the table. And this is like a bed, and then there's whole statue stuff.
Oh, how about there?
That's a statue. Okay, then this is the
Show them the balcony. Show them the balcony. I'll open it. Wait. Wait. Guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you because you're small.
I'm not small. This is the balcony. This is the balcony. That's where you can relax and pee.
OMG.
Upstairs? So,
Wait for Nino. Itutorial kayo nila, okay?
now we go upstairs.
Be careful na, guys.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
The stairs. What's this? That's with the stairs. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Toilet. Shower.
This is the bathroom with the shower, toilet, and sink.
Okay, and then?
The pool.
What's your step?
This is now the jacuzzi.
That's from finale.
Bedroom.
That's from
Now this
finale.
is the bedroom with
Yeah,
the closet and table
With the heart.
and chairs and TV.
With the heart.
With the heart of the dog.
And this is the jacuzzi.
The jacuzzi.
Now this
Ta-da! Oh, Amaya.
you can swim.
Why, if you're gonna do that, I'm gonna not sing it. This
And
is the
then-
jacuzzi.
Kasi, na-turn na kayo. We're here at the Soleil Maraca.
The sleigh. Sleigh Boracay! Thank you for watching.
Dito kami sa tricycle. Pupunta tayo saan, kuya?
Fairway Blue Water.
Okay. Doon kayo magla-lodge. Puntahan namin sila doon. See you later. Nagutom na ako. Ang 1 o'clock na. Ayaw mo pa naman hindi dala yung shades ko.
Kukunin ko yung shades.
Ram! Pati maharap ng shades ko.
Yeah, pwede.
Oh, so good. Nasa boat.
Ano lang ang sinigali?
Kailan nga? Saan?
Send mo kay James.
Oh, send. Ano mo nga doon? Yum, yum, yum. Happy na naman ng dinner. I love it. So excited. I want to eat na. Ang tagal nila Kuya James. Kuya James, oh. Yum, yum, yum. Kuya. Anweng. Look. See you later. Kain muna kami.
Tell me that.
Ay, today is your day. It's Wednesday. Oh, no.
Ako sa ngayon na ano na siya, nasasanay ng kasama siya.
Dati ayaw siya.
Wag ganun.
Bukas wala na naman, kuya.
Sabi na niya na ma'am.
Para mag-banana boat.
Yeah, ano. Strategy ba?
Taray. Ang dami palang... Baka nahaba ng pila, ha? Ram. Like that, oh. Ooh, so excited. Yeah. Buti na lang meron kang phone.
Yeah, so I could record.
Yeah. First, babe.
Yan o.
Oh, yeah. Ang galing mo, kuya. Paano mo nalaman?
Siyempre, alam ko lugar dito, ma'am.
Ay, kaya promote mo tong Boracay.
Boracay is the best.
Really?
Yeah.
Paano mo nasabi?
Forget the rest.
Magpakilala ka. Magpakilala ka.
Never mind my name, just remember my height. Yeah, ma'am.
You make me laugh. Yes. Perfect.
But you are too scared.
Yeah.
No, I have a boat.
Just the both of us.
Look. Woo! Woo! Like this.
Aray ko. Ayun o, para sailing. Tagal. Ayun o, iiwan niyo sa kanya.
And yours?
Okay lang, mami. Higpit pa.
We will bring this up.
Can you face that mom?
Yeah, you want? Okay. Super dizzy.
Sakaling nandun ako kayo sa taas, wag lang kayo hawak ng ganito. Pwede naman kayong ganyan lang, ma'am.
I see.
Ganyan lang po para
Okay.
ma-relax lang po.
Okay.
At saka kung nahilog kayo sa taas, kung gusto nyo huwag kang bumalik dito sa boat, pansin na lang kayo ng dito.
Bilog?
Opo.
Okay. Thank you. They're waiting for us here. Hi. Yes. Bye. Kuya. Thank you. Bye. We're here. Sorry we're late. Let's go. Ano na lang yung sinelas? Nakiram? Ang bigat. Oh my God. Ram, did you enjoy the parasailing? Yeah. Me also. Yes. Sobrang nakakalula. Diba? May naging foreigner kaming friend. Ano naman masasabi mo sa Boracay? Ano masasabi mo? Happy ka naman?
Happy.
Sa katutulog?
Katutulog.
Nasa akin.
Ako na magtatanong kay Mark.
Departure area ng Boracay. Say bye-bye to Boracay. Ha? See you again, Boracay.